This Nuwave Lux 13-piece Forged Lightweight Cookware Set is designed for home cooks who want a healthier, safer, and more refined cooking experience without sacrificing durability, performance, or visual appeal. Created by Nuwave, this cookware collection reflects a deliberate shift toward modern culinary priorities, emphasizing non-toxic materials, advanced ceramic technology, and everyday usability across all cooktops, including induction. From quick weekday meals to ambitious home-cooked dinners, this set aims to be a comprehensive solution that supports confident cooking at every skill level. What immediately distinguishes the Nuwave Lux cookware is its forged lightweight construction, which strikes a rare balance between strength and ease of handling. Each piece feels substantial enough to inspire confidence, yet light enough to maneuver comfortably, even when cooking with one hand. This thoughtful weight distribution reduces wrist fatigue and makes tasks such as tossing vegetables, transferring pans, or pouring sauces noticeably easier. The forged body enhances structural integrity, ensuring that the cookware maintains its shape and performance even under frequent high-heat use. At the heart of this set is the G10 Duralon blue ceramic coating, a defining feature that elevates both health and performance. This all-natural ceramic surface is completely free of PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, cadmium, and other harmful substances that can leach into food or release toxic fumes at high temperatures. For health-conscious households, this offers peace of mind that extends beyond marketing claims into tangible, everyday benefits. The coating's 9H hardness rating indicates exceptional resistance to scratches, corrosion, and discoloration, allowing it to retain its non-stick properties longer than many conventional ceramic alternatives. Cooking performance is where the Nuwave Lux set truly earns its place in the kitchen. The cookware heats quickly and evenly, minimizing hot spots that can lead to uneven cooking or burnt food. This consistent heat distribution improves browning, enhances flavor development, and allows precise temperature control for delicate dishes. Food releases effortlessly from the ultra non-stick surface, making it easy to cook eggs, fish, sauces, and low-oil recipes without frustration. Over time, this reliability encourages more frequent home cooking and experimentation. The premium metal lids included in the set add another layer of performance-focused design. Featuring integrated flavor channels, these lids are engineered to manage moisture efficiently by redirecting condensation back onto the food in a gentle, continuous cycle. This self-basting effect helps retain natural juices, intensify flavor, and prevent food from drying out during longer cooking processes. Whether simmering sauces, braising meats, or slow-cooking vegetables, the lids actively contribute to better results rather than simply covering the pan. Versatility is a core strength of the Nuwave Lux cookware set, as every piece is compatible with all cooktops, including induction, gas, and electric. This universal compatibility ensures the set remains relevant regardless of kitchen upgrades or changes in cooking equipment. Additionally, the cookware and metal lids are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, enabling seamless transitions from stovetop to oven. This makes the set ideal for recipes that require searing followed by roasting, as well as bread baking and finishing dishes with high-heat techniques. The stay-cool handles enhance both safety and comfort, remaining cooler to the touch during stovetop cooking and providing a secure grip even when pans are full. Their ergonomic design supports control and balance, reducing the risk of slips or spills. This attention to handle design reflects an understanding of real-world cooking dynamics, where comfort and safety are just as important as heat performance. From a maintenance perspective, the Nuwave Lux cookware set is designed to simplify cleanup while preserving long-term performance. The ultra non-stick ceramic surface resists buildup and staining, allowing most residue to wipe away easily with minimal effort. While gentle hand washing is recommended to maximize longevity, the ease of cleaning reduces the post-meal burden and supports consistent use. Over time, this convenience plays a significant role in making cooking more enjoyable rather than a chore. Aesthetically, the cookware set feels modern and refined, with a cohesive design that looks intentional on the stovetop and in storage. Rather than appearing purely utilitarian, the set presents itself as a well-crafted culinary tool that enhances the kitchen environment. This visual appeal matters more than many realize, as cookware that looks good often inspires more frequent use and greater pride in meal preparation. From a value standpoint, the Nuwave Lux 13-piece cookware set positions itself as a premium yet practical investment. Instead of focusing solely on quantity, it emphasizes quality materials, advanced ceramic technology, and thoughtful engineering. For households seeking to move away from traditional nonstick coatings while maintaining ease of use, this set offers a compelling balance of safety, durability, and cooking performance that holds up over time. Pros: the Nuwave Lux Cookware Set delivers exceptional health-focused performance with its PFAS-free G10 Duralon blue ceramic coating that resists wear, releases food effortlessly, and avoids toxic emissions. Its lightweight yet durable forged construction, even heating, premium self-basting metal lids, and compatibility with all cooktops including induction make it versatile and user-friendly. Oven safety up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and stay cool handles further enhance convenience and control. Cons: as with most ceramic cookware, maintaining peak non-stick performance requires mindful care and avoidance of metal utensils. Users accustomed to heavier stainless steel cookware may need a short adjustment period to appreciate the lightweight feel. Final verdict: the Nuwave Lux 13-piece Forged Lightweight Cookware Set is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking healthier cooking without compromising performance, durability, or style. Its advanced ceramic technology, thoughtful design, and universal compatibility make it a future-ready cookware solution for modern kitchens. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if the Nuwave Lux Cookware Set is the upgrade your kitchen deserves. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.